ngiyabonga kakhulu okubalekile sikuzelela kukodwa ukuzohanda over memorandum. Into ebalekile la sisazoba no phase 2 wethu sibone ukuthi obana bangekho la kuyezwakala kulaba abantu bamakhampani kuyezwakala bafowethu abangasihloniphanga sithatha isikhathi sethu esingaka sibacela ukuthi abeze bezothatha besingalwi nabo yibe bebeyisayinela uyabona so okuyikho ke bakhona abafowethu abakhona abazothatha memorandum okubalekile asibanikeni laba bakhona ngoba kuthiwa bane group akuzukuphela ke la ayipheli la ayigcini futhi la sizoyilandela makufanele amaphoyisa asibophela ukuthi abantu kodwa kusalayo sizoyilandela izokwenzeka lento esifunayo kulama firm singama beneficiary alama firm so izokwenzeka leyo nto ngiyakusho sizolandela ngendlela esizolandela ngayo thina abaholi sizokwenza lokho bengithi ke angidlulise uTebu asifundele imemorandum bese bayeza bayasayina abafundi Thokoza Bahambe Resident is a community-based social civic movement that comprises of residents of Thokoza and the surrounding areas such as Katlehong, Fostoras, Palm Ridge, Eden Park, Nabanyeke, Northina Song. It is a non-political organization that has a mandate to defend the interest of the communities by any means necessary. It equally has a duty to address all social adversaries and social issues that are affecting our community at large. The Thokoza Bahambe Residency carries over its shoulder a vision. Our vision is to protect and serve the interest of our communities with high integrity and honesty, to have a corrupt-free and principled leadership that seeks to address the issues or challenges of our communities that are faced with on daily basis. Ngiyayijampa ke manje, ngiyayijampa le ngisangapha. The objective yethu, the Thokoza Bahambe residents has observed with caution how unemployment rate has rather grew for worse in our communities over the past years. This is precisely because our surrounding industrial areas, Amakhampan, have chosen to rather employ illegal immigrants over residents of our community and direct beneficiaries of these firms. This has not directly crippled the lives of our people, but it has also opened an economic vacuum whereby our people are left with no other option but to aggressively resort to undignified ways and means of survival, while illegal immigrants are reaping the fruits of our freedom. We view this as a direct attack on our democracy. Hence, the constitution of this country provided through prescribes of the law that Section 49, subsection 1, illegal foreigners. Anyone who enters or stays in South Africa without a valid permit is guilty of an offense. The penalty for that, it's a fine or up to 2 years jail sentence for any person ongenayo nohlalisa umuntu angaphandle. Section 49 subsection 3, employing illegal foreigners. No person shall employ an illegal foreigner, and if an employer break this law, the penalty is 50,000 per illegal employee, or jail sentence of up to 5 years. Futhi umqhashi laba bahlanganisile waqhasha umuntu wangaphandle ngomuntu oyedwa uchargewa u50,000 athola isentence engale efikela ku5,000. For the repeat of offense, it's up to 5 years jail sentence again. The employer has a defense if they can prove that they, in good faith, checked your documents and they looked valid. But if they knew or should have known that you are illegal, they are guilty. Manje ke lana akithi siyazi vele ukuthi babaqhasha bazi ukuthi abangaphandle abanawo amaphepha. Asikhulumi ke ngabantu esingekho sho ba guilty. Ba guilty njengamanje labantu labo. I-penalty yabo it's up to 5 years jail sentence. Yes. Siyandlula la kusho nini? Leader will negotiate with anyone whose interest is to go against the prescribed of the Constitution and the judicial system. It must be categorically stated here that this is an unemployment march against employers of illegal immigrants and all companies that employ or harbor illegal foreigners. The march is aimed at delivering a memorandum of demands to all companies, whether they are directly in contravention with the law or of employing illegal immigrants or not. Now my demands wait. One, all companies that are currently employing illegal foreigners must immediately dismiss such people. Yes. Yes. Number two, all companies who are not directly employing have not employed illegal foreigners must continue to resist from breaking the law in favor of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Number three, all companies who are harboring or providing a place to stay in their companies or premises for illegal foreigners must immediately stop that and evacuate them. All companies must prioritize South African citizens over illegal immigrants. Any sort of employment as this is our constitutional right. Foreigners abahambe and prioritize SA residents. That the all-road stakeholder committees or business chamber must be established to better govern the industrial area amid all of these necessary changes that are yet to unfold. Nana city, nama company lawo, nathi siwumphakathi. Ufuna sifome i-committee ama-stakeholders noma i-business chamber yala ezofaka thina nabo so that mabeqhasha or befuna ukuqhasha befuna ukwenzani zonke lezi zinto ikhulunywa lapho singabahlali bala sikuzwe masisha sikwazi ukulungisa abantu. Angithi manje la sinenkinga kunabantu abayibiza ngeinkokheli abahambe befaka abantu la emafemini bathatha imali lamafemini bathatha yonke into bathi bayinkokheli zethu ngapha asibazi kodwa thina uqhasha abazababo lenganda semakubo thina hlela sisebenzi Number 6, that companies must activate community development program through sport, local school, local business, NGOs, NPOs. Company must phase out labor brokers or do away with them. Asabafunda abantu laba ama-labor brokers. I-problem enkulu enza ukuthi kube khona ama-illegal foreigners asebenzayo yiwo lama-labor broker lawo. Baqhasha labantu umlungu uthi ngifuna 5 people aletha abantu bangaphandle abawu-5 ayobaqhasha la. So asabafuna ama-labor brokers, the companies must resist from using them or using their services. Number 8, assist in the development of local school in order for the learning and teaching to be conducive for the children. Assist in the development of local sport facilities to enable a crime-free society. Kunezinto zokugcina lezi usezosayini. Lamadoda athi ngikhuluma ngawo. Enye amakhampani masingena kuyo ithe yona ikhipha imali ukuthi akuhambe kuyolungisa izikole eindaweni zethu zokuhlala. Sabuza thina udiscipline sosikole ngoba phela akaze ilungise izikole zangala makhampani wangaphandle. bathi bayithatha nemali yokwakha ama-ground ney'nsiza zomphakathi ukuthi umphakathi usizakala. Ayikho yonke loo nto leyo, siyazi. Manje-ke namhlanje iyaphela loo nto leyo, iyaphela namhlanje. Sebezokhuluma nale leadership ebabize la namhlanje ukuthi bafuna umuntu oyedwa or abayi-100 or abayingakho asinandaba. As long bezokhuluma nathi sibiza umphakathi uyoqhasha. Silapha nje asizelanga ubumnandi, futhi funa ngenikhuze khona lokhu ningivumele, asizange ukuzomosha futhi. Abantu kufanele kucace emqondweni wethu size kule mashi le ngoba sifuna umsebenzi. Imashi ye-unemployment le, uma uzokwenza okwakho-ke la sizokushiya kanjalo wedwa enkingeni singayingeni. Azobopha amaphoyisa ukuthi uyasikhalela umndeni wakho enze njani sobe singasayingeni ngoba sinikhuzile. Ngiyanikhuza namanje, ngiyazi bakithi nizinsizwa ngamadoda, anisabi, ngiyakwazi lokho. Kodwa khuzekani bakithi misani ukumosha into enhle ezosiza thina futhi. Ngiyabonga, ngisacela ukuthi-ke manje senze signing ceremony. Sizosayina amalokhutha nawu 2 eyena enihamba nayo neyethu. Bathi akayichaze manje.
It's a few. Companies examine hore di itle mo se mametseng no. Ke tshwere SL. Bona le me mo. Ke SL. Ene ke tshwere Rhino Wood. Rhino Wood one in man. Then na ke tla JMR. A ona JMR ai, a ona next. Le ga tla ka usana.